Hello everybody, welcome to our indoor cell planning course brought to you by the Instructional Design and Technology. On our last video, I'm showing to you the link budget process and its concepts, and in this short video I will show to you how to perform the calculations. This is a 4-step process. We will first calculate the reception power. On the step 2, we will do the link budgets calculations. On step 3, we will calculate the cell radius. And on the step 4, we will calculate the site number. So for the step 1, we will have to calculate the reception power that is given by this equation. We will have here the noise power. This is the noise power. We have the SNR required and the noise figure. These are our system parameters that we will use on these calculations. And here we have the value of the reception part that we will need. On step 2, we must do the link budget calculation. That is done by using this equation, this generic equation that we saw in the last video. We have our system parameters with all the necessary values, antenna gain, filter loss, cable loss, and we'll have to calculate the maximum path loss that comes out from here. So this is the rewritten equation using our parameters. We'll have to do some maths, changing the values. And finally, we'll have our maximum path loss. Okay? This is the maximum path loss that I can have. Well, on the step 3, we will calculate the cell radius. For this, we will use a prediction model. On this example, I'm using the free space prediction model that is not used for cellular projects, but just for a simplification, I will use this here, okay? We have our system parameters, the maximum path loss that are calculated on the last step, the frequency. So we have to do some math, and finally we will have our cell radius. All right? For the last step, we have now to calculate the site number. I will cover this area. All right? I have 3 sector cells. This is the equation for the cell area, for the site area. We do some math. And finally, we'll have our site number. 12 sites to cover all this area. Okay? Well, thank you. Hope you enjoy. See you soon.